Hi there, welcome to my bathroom. All right, so I saw a ad for this makeup, and it is Il Makiage. I'm not really sure how to say it. You might have seen it, and I just got my delivery. You answer a bunch of questions, and after you answer the questions, they send you the foundation that's supposed to match. So reading this information on here, I decided to take the challenge. This comes free. It's to hold your hair back, which obviously I don't need to do, but hold your hair back. And they also sent me the brush for free. I have nothing on, but I did put some of the makeup on to see if it would work, and it does. So what you do, you take 2 pumps of this, put it right on your wrist, on your hand, back of your hand, and then you put it on your brush, and then you put it on. I do have some on the other side. You're supposed to go all the way down, and you can't even tell the difference between this makeup and my skin. I hope you can see that. All right. I have nothing on but this makeup. And it is like a perfect match, which really shocks me. Because with my skin, I have the undertones, I'm olive. So if I don't have the right match, it almost looks green. And I'm really impressed. The reason I wanted to try is because these fine lines, and they're there, but they're not as visible as they were. Now I have nothing under my eyes. Normally I wear a concealer here, and I haven't, and I have to put my eyebrows on, which I use that Wonder Brow. And I have to put those on because my hair, I'm not very hairy to begin with, but the hair on for my eyebrows are very, very light. So anyways, I'm shocked. I am actually shocked. And it costs basically nothing to get started. And they send you this nice box. Of course, your makeup that matches, which comes in this, the brush, and the hair tie to pull your hair back. I have to say, I am impressed. I'll put my code below if you want to give it a try. And like I said, you get to try it for free. And I put mine on every 3 months auto ship because I really don't wear a lot of makeup on a day-to-day basis. But this I would definitely like for the days that I'm out. I have to say, it works. It's a match. Have an amazing day.